Okay, so here's a picture, and I had posted this. I think this was in inspiration number 1, but it's just a big stitch embroidery on a pillow. But I might want to use this as a quilting design. So we're talking just this element right here, all right? So what I would do is I'd start here, and I'd trace around. And there's my favorite OG shape. So if I didn't, I probably might use my OG rulers or my OG stencils for this to get that main outside shape. But then I would come back in here, quilt those 2 little shapes, quilt that, go up into that OG, put this one in, come down, and come back and put feathers over here. I just bump them up to the top. I go back around, or even better, I wouldn't do that yet. I would have not traced it yet, because then I could use that to travel. So that's when I do most of my thinking, is when I'm drawing it out. All right, so let's try that again. Can I make this skinnier? Can I make it skinnier? Yes. Okay. So I would start out. Oh, look at that. There's a little OG there, too. OG, curl, OG, curl. There's that half of the OG. Curl, feather, 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 feather. You can even fill them into there. Come back up here somehow. And go back around. Feather on this side. So there's one design, and this is how I see pictures. Like I see the quilting in my head. These are not feathers, but I can make them feathers. So again, let's try this one more time, so I make sure it works. Feather, feather. Yeah, from there I'm just going to start going like that. There we go. It gets kind of wonky here, but I'm not worried about that. I go that back around, curl, feather up the sides, feather up the sides. All right, I think we are ready to stitch it. I do have my picture on my phone, if you can see that. I know the glare is awful. I do have the picture on my phone so I can reference what I'm doing. So there's half of the OG. There's the first curl into the other OG. Down, and I'm not perfect, and I'm never going to be perfect. So I've learned to accept that. So, hindsight being 2020, I probably should have marked a somewhat of a reference line, which if I can find a blue pen, that might work. That one will not work. Yep. So now, just so that I stay even, I'm going to just eyeball this. So that's what, like almost 2 fingers away. Just to keep myself on track, kind of give myself a fence. And if you've seen me teach, you know I talk about fences a lot. So that just makes sure my stitches stay where they should be. Okay, so we'll come up into this one and go up. And just trace that down. All right, that was it. That's inspiration to quilted. So now I might have fun and fill the outside of this just to keep it around. It'll be a sample. I think I'm going to echo this first. Tie off first. So now I'll just take the blue lines away. And since we didn't mark heavy, they'll come right off. That's another reason why I don't like to do a lot of marking, because I don't like to do a lot of removing. I'm almost out of water. And there it is. From a picture of a big stitched pillow to a quilted little block. I hope you enjoyed that. There'll be lots more.